beep, 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 beep.
If you think this is annoying, try Extra Cops and Enforcement Zones. It's a $65 ticket every time, day or night.
Beep, beep, beep.
So listen up, because it's click it or ticket.